Welcome back to my little nest. Today it's time to catch up on some laundry that I brought down from my bedroom a couple of days ago. I made a video all about that laundry. I'll link it at the end so you can check it out whenever you like. And I've also got some dishes piled up because I got a little distracted focusing on other parts of the house. If you're behind on your chores too, that's totally okay. Hopefully, this video gives you a little motivation. Or at least some company while you catch up. Sometimes these chores feel like they'll never end, right? But honestly, every little bit counts. Even small steps make a difference. And that moment when everything's finally done is such a great feeling. So if you're feeling stuck or behind, don't stress. We're in this together, taking it one dish, one load at a time. Keep going. You've got this. While we're at it, I want to share something personal. Lately, I've been feeling kind of lonely and sad. Over the past few years, I've had to cut out some people from my life. My circle's gotten smaller because I finally started standing up for myself. I used to be meek and quiet, always helping others. But that also meant people took advantage of me. Now, standing up for myself means blocking those who don't respect my boundaries. It's made my world a lot smaller and quieter. And yeah, that's hard sometimes. I'm an introvert, so I enjoy my alone time and need to recharge after social visits. But that doesn't mean I want to feel lonely all the time. There was one person who kept crossing my boundaries, even after I said no, over and over. After a big fight, I stopped talking to her for a year. But then she lured me back in, and the cycle started again. If you've stuck with me this far, drop a celebration emoji in the comments to ring in the new year together. I'm really glad you're here. Recently, I had to block her for my own peace. Have you ever dealt with someone like this? How did you handle it? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear your story. That's part of why this channel means so much to me. It's a way to reach out. Connect. And find people who get it. Whether you're dealing with social anxiety or just the ups and downs of life. Everyone needs their tribe, their people. This is my way of building that. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps get the word out and keeps me motivated to make more content like this. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for being here. From my nest to yours, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.